wettest channel on the internet.
We're back, but not on the water. We're back on a road trip. Where are we going?
Key Largo.
All right, we got invited to Playa Largo at the Keys, and we're gonna meet some friends there. A road trip for the day, and then see what the day brings us. Woo. Well, honestly, this is the first road trip that I really enjoy. You know why? Because I'm not driving. Fresquito is. For those people that have been following me for a long time, you notice every time we take a road trip, I get stuck driving because Ogita, I guess, is allergic to the steering wheel. So really, this is the first time I'm having a great road trip. I get to sightsee, record, talk, listen to the radio, all kinds of stuff, and I don't have to worry about the road. But we're almost there because right now we're going by Gilbert's in Key Largo. And by the way, I would like to give a big thank you for those fans that buy merchandise at frescochannel.com. And I want to say sorry for the ones that get stuck waiting because things are backdoored and the delivery service is taking longer than usual. And as soon as we made the ride, we were amazed how beautiful this place is. So we're gonna drive right in, find a spot, and take a look around. And I'm not gonna say anything. I'm gonna let the video speak for itself and see how beautiful this place is. And this really caught me off surprise. Look at this, Aquabana's here. I feel like I'm at home. Where's the party people at? This gives me an idea. Maybe I should get into resorts on the water reviews. As long as it comes with a free slip, I'll do it. What do you guys think? Or should I just stick to boat fun and Sandbar life activities? All right, so we made it to Playa Largo and we're getting right to the point. Yes, you know how it is. Gotta go to the docks, to the water, to the boat. Yep, we're here. We're gonna spend the day here at Florida Keys, at this awesome place. Check this out. Let me give you guys a swing back. Look at that. This is awesome. And look what we have here.
Yo, don't start, dog. Don't start. Oh my God.
Fresco Channel, the best.
And today we're running along again with Homestead's best chef in the house and his beautiful 32-foot Edgewater. And they are here for the whole weekend, but we're only joining them for one day. So where are we going today? Look, we got a special host today, Chantal. You know why? Because she loves being on the camera. So
I don't like you.
Today she's gonna host the whole video. Her right here. Her.
Hi guys, welcome to Fresco Channel. We're here in Florida Keys. Look how beautiful. Oh my God, say hello to my little friend. Ogida, a ver, ¿cómo estamos hoy? Estamos demasiado feliz. Yes, ma'am. Yes, say hello. Let me see the gains. Oh yeah, big boy. Kevin, what's up? A little dancey dance. Hello, dancey dance. Go ahead. Yes, sir. El Capitán Humberto. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. So what do you think? I think she did pretty good. Kind of fast though, but pretty good. But now we're launching off to our 12-mile run to Islamorada Sandbar. And the ride is going to be pretty comfortable because we're riding on the bay and it is pretty flat. And one of the cool things about cruising around the Keys is we get to ride through the mangroves where the channels are. And this gives you a pleasant ride because now you get change of scenery. And something I strongly suggest is if you're cruising around the Florida Keys, follow the channel on the GPS because there's a lot of shallow spots that sometimes you can see them, but sometimes you can't. And you know how it is, half of the fun is getting there, and it is, because I love the sandbar, but I also love cruising around on the boat. And I kind of estimate that the ride is going to be about a 35 to 40 minute run to Islamorada Sandbar. And the last time I was here was a few months ago that I came with Fresco on the jet skis. And we have made it over to the Atlantic side. And this is something that you have to be aware of if you're visiting Islamorada Sandbar. This whole area, it's idle zone. And that is due because of the high traffic of people going back and forth from the hotel to the sandbar and back to the marina. And this is a usual weekend for the sandbar. There's lots of people here. If I recall correctly, the two busiest days here are Memorial Weekend and Labor Day weekend. So today is just a regular weekend at the sandbar, enjoying the life on the water. And today we're bringing lots of energy because we're ready to have some fun in the sun at Islamorada. But now here comes the tricky part about the sandbar, and that is finding a spot. Because the sandbar is long, but it's very narrow because you either fall into the seaweed or into the deep side of the channel. And something you gotta watch out for is the high speed of the water currents, especially on the change of tides. After cruising almost the whole sandbar, we finally found a spot towards the middle. And it was kind of tight, but we backed it in and we got lucky because a boater that was already there gave us a helping hand because it could get tricky with the current and the wind blowing at the same time. And we made it here full of energy but with an empty stomach because we didn't eat breakfast. So instead of jumping in the water, we had to jump on the food. And I forgot to record it because right now we're eating Olguita's special crab meat that she does with chips. And while we were filling our stomachs, I noticed something coming in. Look at this. I found my twin brother. And it looked like he was having a hard time anchoring because the wind has picked up, plus the current. So now it's my turn to help out. I do have to say, the big hydro looks pretty good on the water. Never really noticed it from far away. And talking about beautiful, look at this big boy coming by with quad 425 Yamaha. And if you like boat watching, the Sandbar is a good place to be. Okay, so enough sightseeing and eating, and it's time to jump on the water and enjoy it because it is beautiful here. And we're gonna do a water check, and I'm gonna give it a 9 because it is pretty clear, but we have some seaweed floating around. And something that caught me by surprise as soon as I jumped in the water was that the temperature must have been at least 95 to 98 degrees. It felt really hot because normally you jump in the water to cool off, but actually I kind of heated up. I thought I was taking like a hot shower. And like usual, we forgot something. She forgot her water shoes. So I had to carry her so she doesn't touch the seaweed floating on top of the water. Now, does that make any sense to you? Or maybe she just wants me to carry her. I think we're gonna go with she wants to be carried, and that's okay by me.
Dime, ¿te divertiste en el Sandbar Party?
Todo rico. Ay, no me acuerdo.
Ella no se acuerda del Sandbar Party, ¿y tú te acuerdas?
Y no me acuerdo.
And by the way, did you guys check out the 3 videos of the Sandbar Life Party? If you didn't, I'm going to leave it on the link below so you guys check them out. Or just wait to the end of the video and click on the thumbnail. And like I said in the beginning of the video, half of the fun is getting here. But we're going to cool off in the water. But stay tuned for part 2 because we walked around the Sandbar and we had the most important part of the day, food time, baby. So stay tuned for part 2.